Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Numerics with Nadia. In today's lesson, we're going to build off of our last video when we did the surface area of 3D shapes, where we focused on rectangular prisms, cylinders, and cubes. If you guys haven't watched that video, I'll go ahead and link it right here for you guys. I would highly encourage you to watch that one first before getting into this one. For today's lesson, our learning objective is to solve word problems involving surface area for 3D shapes, and it's going to be those same 3D shapes as last lesson: rectangular prisms, cylinders, and cubes. So let's jump right into our practice section. The directions say to find the surface area, and for number 1, it says that we have a box-shaped aquarium and it has dimensions of 10 centimeters by 6 centimeters by 4 centimeters. How much glass is needed to construct it? So our shape here is a rectangular prism, and the surface area equation for a rectangular prism is 2 times length times width plus length times height plus width times height. Our length here is 10 centimeters, our height is 6 centimeters, and our width is 4 centimeters. So we'll just go ahead and plug everything right in. We would have 2 times 10 times 4 plus 10 times 6 plus 4 times 6. We know that 10 times 4 is 40, 10 times 6 is 60, and 4 times 6 is 24. So it would be 2 times the sum of 40, 60, and 24. When we add the inside of our parentheses together, we'd have 2 times 124, and 2 times 124 gives us 248. So our surface area for this aquarium will be 248 centimeters squared. That is our final answer for number 1. Now we'll move on to our second practice question for today. For number 2, it says a soup can has a height of 10 centimeters and a radius of 3 centimeters. What is the total surface area of a can? Well, a can shape is the same as a cylinder, and we know that the surface area equation for a cylinder is 2 pi r squared plus 2 pi r h. And we are given here that our radius is 3 and our height is 10. I'm going to go ahead and label that for you guys on the diagram. And once we have everything, we can just plug in, right? We would have 2 times pi times 3 squared plus 2 times pi times 3 times 10. And when we evaluate this, we know that 2 pi times 3 squared would just be 18 pi, right? Because 3 squared is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, so our first term is 18 pi. Second term, we'll multiply all the coefficients, 2 times 3 times 10, that gives us 60, so it'd be 60 pi. 18 pi plus 16 pi is 78 pi, and when you approximate pi to being 3.14 and plug it into your calculator, you will get approximately 244.92 as our surface area for this soup can, and the unit should be centimeters squared. And now we'll move on to our third and final practice question for today. For number 3, it's another gift wrapping one. It says that Jane is wrapping a cube gift box as a gift for her friend. The side length of the gift box is 8 inches. How much wrapping paper does she need to wrap the gift for her friend? So I've went ahead and labeled the diagram for you guys, and we know that this is a cube. Surface area of a cube is just 6s squared. Our side length here is 8 inches, so we'll just plug in that 8. When we get that, we know that 6 times 8 squared would just be the same as 6 times 64. Once we do the 8 squared, 6 times 64 gives us 384. So our answer for number 3 will be 384 inches squared. And that wraps up our lesson for today. Just wanted to focus on surface area word problems today. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please feel free to comment any questions or any other problems you would like me to do out for surface area or any other topics in general down below. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like it if you did, subscribe if you haven't already, share this video with a friend, and I will see you guys next time.